Get $100 from Amazon for buying the Samsung Galaxy 8 watch. Ready for a headline that'll make you do a double take? Amazon is not just offering a discount on one of the hottest new smartwatches of 2025. They're actually giving buyers $100 back just for strapping on the brand new Samsung Galaxy 8 watch. Sounds too good to be true. Let's dive into the details and see why some shoppers are calling this the deal of the year, and why others are wondering if there's a catch. Here's the scoop. Through August 5th, Amazon is sweetening the launch of the Samsung Galaxy 8 watch with an irresistible offer. Not only can you score the newest 2025 model for $500, a substantial $100 off its standard $600 price tag, but Amazon is also tacking on a $100 Amazon gift card for free. That means you're basically getting $200 in value just for picking up Samsung's latest wearable tech. The gift card is valid for anything on Amazon, turning your next purchase into a mini shopping spree. But here's where it gets controversial. Some folks are asking, what's the fine print? And is Amazon just clearing out inventory? Or is there a hidden catch that's not being advertised? At face value, this promotion stands out since true gift card rebates have become rare on big-ticket electronics, especially on brand new releases. So what exactly do you get for your money? For a limited time, the Samsung Galaxy 8 watch Classic 46mm is available in both sleek black and crisp white. This latest version comes equipped with Bluetooth support and a host of improvements. Think enhanced tracking for sleep, nutrition, fitness, stress, and even your daily activity levels. Plus, the display is brighter than ever, and Samsung's AI assistant is more capable, making day-to-day life more convenient, whether you're setting reminders, tracking workouts, or getting weather updates. Perhaps the most user-friendly upgrade is the new Now Bar, a handy tool that lines up your favorite and most used apps right on the watch's home screen. The interface is more intuitive, and the customization options let you tailor the wearable experience to your unique lifestyle. If you act fast and have a Prime membership, Amazon promises same-day delivery. For anyone weighing their options, it's worth mentioning that Amazon has discounted several other Samsung devices as well. So, tech enthusiasts who want to upgrade multiple gadgets may find even greater value. And this is the part most people overlook. Special deals like this often stir debate. Some consumers question whether such offers are sustainable, or if they simply make up the difference elsewhere by collecting user data or promoting more add-ons. Is this generous promotion a genuine win for customers, or should shoppers be wary of possible trade-offs? There are plenty of other hot deals making the rounds too, like deep discounts on Milwaukee's hammer drill kits, Pillow Cube's popular side sleeper pillow, affordable running shoes from major brands, and even Weber's 4-burner griddle. These sales help keep Amazon and the competition on their toes. What do you think? Is the $100 Amazon gift card enough to convince you to try Samsung's Galaxy 8 watch? Or do you have concerns about the fine print? Does a deal like this influence your trust in mega retailers? Share your opinions and let's get the conversation going. Are you all in or giving this one a hard pass? Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 versus Garmin Venu X1. The ultimate running watch showdown. Imagine being able to track your runs with precision and accuracy. But which smartwatch can truly deliver on this promise? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and Garmin Venu X1 are two of the most advanced running watches on the market. But how do they stack up against each other? In this comparison, we'll put both watches to the test and see which one comes out on top. But here's where it gets interesting. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is Samsung's latest flagship smartwatch, boasting a sleek new design and advanced running features that could potentially give Garmin a run for its money. The Watch 8's slim and lightweight profile makes it perfect for running, and its advanced metrics tracking capabilities can monitor everything from stride asymmetry to gait stiffness. Additionally, the watch's running coach feature offers personalized training plans tailored to your specific needs and goals. But can it really compete with the likes of Garmin, a brand synonymous with high-quality running watches? The Garmin Venu X1, for instance, offers an impressive array of features, including Hill Score, which measures your performance on inclines, and easy route creation. And let's not forget about battery life. Garmin watches are known for their longevity, often lasting days or even weeks on a single charge, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8's battery life is relatively limited, lasting around 40 hours. So, how do these two watches compare in a real-world test? To find out, I pitted the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 against the Garmin Venu X1 in a head-to-head comparison, tracking a 4-kilometer run with both devices. The route was carefully chosen to include a mix of elevation changes and urban environments, which could potentially interfere with GPS signals. And this is the part most people miss. The devil is in the details. While both watches performed admirably, there were some subtle differences in their readings. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 recorded the run as 3.86 kilometers with an average heart rate of 144 beats per minute, while the Garmin Venu X1 clocked in at 3.88 kilometers, a mere 0.2% difference. But what's really interesting is that both watches showed remarkably similar results, with only minor variations in calorie expenditure and elevation gain. For example, the Garmin Venu X1 recorded a cadence of 145 steps per minute, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 recorded 151 steps per minute, a difference of just 6 steps over the course of 25 minutes. Now, some of you might be thinking, but what about the margin of error? And that's a fair point. The difference in GPS processing algorithms between the two watches could account for some of the discrepancies. However, as I've discussed in my previous comparison of the Apple Watch and Garmin Watch, these differences are relatively minor and can be attributed to the nuances of GPS signal processing. So, what's the verdict? The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8's running metrics are undoubtedly impressive. And it's clear that Samsung has made significant strides in this area. The watch's post-game analysis is also noteworthy, providing actionable insights and personalized recommendations for improvement. For instance, the watch identified some stiffness in my gait and suggested a series of exercises to help improve my running technique. This kind of contextual information is invaluable for runners looking to optimize their performance. But here's the controversy. While the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is an excellent running watch in its own right, its battery life remains a major drawback. Can a watch that only lasts 40 hours on a single charge really compete with the likes of Garmin, which can last for days or even weeks? That's a question for you, our readers. Do you prioritize battery life or advanced running features? Let us know in the comments. And if you're eager to learn more about the latest smartwatches and fitness trackers, be sure to check out our other articles, including our roundup of the best Samsung watches and our analysis of the latest Apple Watch developments. As someone who's passionate about fitness and wellness, I'm always excited to explore the latest innovations in this space. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, there's never been a better time to get involved. So what are you waiting for? Join the conversation and let's get started. Save big on Galaxy Watch 7. Discover the Galaxy Watch 8. Are you tired of the squircle design dominating Samsung's smartwatch lineup? Well, there's good news for those who prefer a different aesthetic. Samsung's Galaxy Watch 7 from 2024 offers a sleek alternative, and you can grab it at a discounted price. But here's where it gets interesting. The Galaxy Watch 8 might offer even better value for money. Let's dive into the details. Samsung's latest smartwatches, including both the Galaxy Watch 7 and Watch 8, feature what they call the cushion design. This design is characterized by a circular screen mounted atop a squircle-shaped base. For many, this design is a game changer. But if you're not a fan, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be the perfect fit for you. Currently, you can find the Galaxy Watch 7 on sale, offering a significant discount of $40. If you add a trade-in of an older smartwatch, you can save an additional $50. In total, these savings can bring the cost down to as low as $209, making it an attractive option. But is the Galaxy Watch 7 worth considering over the newer Galaxy Watch 8? That's a question worth pondering. The Galaxy Watch 8 comes with even more generous trade-in offers, potentially allowing you to purchase it for as little as $149. This lower price point might make the Watch 8 the more appealing choice for budget-conscious buyers. Another factor to consider is software updates. The Galaxy Watch 8 ships with One UI 8 watch pre-installed, whereas the Galaxy Watch 7 will need to wait for the update, expected by the end of the year. This delay could be a deciding factor for some users who want access to the latest features immediately. Interestingly, the cushion design isn't just about aesthetics. Samsung claims that the squircle shape, combined with the dynamic lug system, provides a more secure fit on the wrist. This improved fit reportedly enhances the accuracy of health and fitness tracking, which is a crucial aspect for many smartwatch users. So which watch should you choose? The Galaxy Watch 8 is technically superior and can be had at a lower price with the right trade-in deal. However, if you're set on avoiding the cushion design and are willing to pay a bit more, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be the better fit for you. What do you think? Would you go for the newer model with the potential for better accuracy and lower price? Or stick with the design you prefer? Share your thoughts in the comments below.